Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bioinformatics company business. Suppose as the owner of bioinformatics company, I use WhatsApp chatbot to answer service inquiries, collect client requirement and schedule calls. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bioinformatics company business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want data visualization and reporting service. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Bioinformatics. We specialize in advanced bioinformatics solutions for research, diagnostic and biotech innovations. What would you like help with? Now we have in three options: our service, send requirements, book consultation. Now simply I am click on our service. After clicking, we are getting response. So this is our service. Now we click on book consultation. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Let's schedule your consultation. Please provide your full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing name, you will see I am getting another response. Prefer date and time. Now I am typing date 25 May 2025 and time 10 AM. After typing date and time, I am getting the response. Let's confirm details, name, test user, date and time. Will confirm shortly. Now simply click on confirm button. After clicking on confirm button, we are getting our last message. You are all set. We'll be in touch soon. You can message hi at any time to restart the chat. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section, and if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 Pabbly applications. Simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows. This is our flow builder page. Now we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we want to create our new chat flow. Simply click on add flow button. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your bioinformatics company business. Now we have two options: message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Bioinformatics. We specialize in advanced bioinformatics solution for research, diagnostic and biotech innovations. What would you like help with? Now in this we also add buttons. Our services, send requirements, book consultation. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write some message on it. When user click on our services button, then we will send over this message. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. When user clicks send requirements button, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. When user press book consultation button, then we will send over this message. Now simply select the contact custom field, full name, also select the format, that is text format, and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user and select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now we take text button and write a confirmation message on it. And you will see I'm using asterisk and dollar sign. Why we use asterisk sign? Asterisk sign is used to bold the text and dollar sign is used to when user enter their name, the dollar sign replace their name with full name. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. In this we also add confirm button. Now we take another question box. In this we write our last message and simply connect this confirm button to this message box. Now save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for bioinformatics company business. You can also increase your chatbot according to your need. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type book consultation and you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.